my name is Caitlin Hartley, and I'm the account manager for Orange County, California, and Hawaii. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the 4 transformations that are happening across every industry today, and how companies are having to change the way that they operate as a whole, or they're risking going out of business completely. Now, the first transformation that we're seeing is within the workforce today. We have companies like Google and GoFundMe that have changed the way that their environments operate in order to drive millennials like myself to be able to work harder and ultimately so they can see a return on their investment. Now, millennials are also driving this digital transformation. They want things to happen quicker. They want things to be more mobile and easier to use. And with companies trying to make this seamless transition into the digital age, they need IT support. IT is having to change the way that they completely operate in order to support this business transition into the digital age. Now, with the change in IT, we're also seeing that there's more and more risk within the company as well. And making sure things are secure, making sure that the workforce information is secure in their environment is very critical to a successful business. So truly bringing it full circle, you're seeing that one transformation is ultimately affecting the other. So to go for the first transformation, what we're seeing within the workforce is that the happier the employee is, the more that they're willing to work, ultimately making more money for the business, and then the company sees a return on their investment. Now, the same goes with the specific device that they use. The happier the employee is with the device that they're leveraging, the more that they're going to use that device, and ultimately the company's not only going to see a return on their investment with the employee, but also with the device that they purchased. So how is Dell EMC helping companies within the workforce? Well, we provide the #1 PC out in the market today, and also the most secure PC. So not only are millennials driving this workforce transformation, but they're also driving this digital transformation as well. We have companies like Uber and Nest who have completely changed the way that we operate our day-to-day lives. But there are companies that are not in the digital age yet. A company that I realized was going through a digital transformation was Southwest. So I was actually booking a flight, and I realized it was going to be a little bit too expensive. It was around $500, and I wanted to wait to see if there was a price drop. The next day, I get an email alert on my phone that says there's a price drop of about $150. I then click on that link, and it takes me directly to the mobile application. In seconds, I have that flight booked. Whereas before, what I would have had to have done is go onto the website, put in the flights, see if there was a price drop in the first place, and then put in my information and book the flight. Because it was so much easier to use, I now look at their emails so much differently and leverage their application a lot more. Southwest is also the only company that shows lowest fares and best days to book a flight. So how is Dell EMC helping a company like Southwest in this digital transformation? Well, we're doing this through a federation, specifically with Pivotal. By providing companies with platform as a service with Pivotal Cloud Foundry. With Pivotal Cloud Foundry, we're allowing companies to have the platform to be able to create these applications in a more flexible and agile way, allowing them to have the ability to move these applications between different environments wherever they see fit. Second, through Pivotal Labs, we have application developers come in and create these applications in order to get them out to the markets quicker, in order to make these businesses more money. Now, also on top of that, what we're seeing is that with the industry constantly changing and millennials constantly wanting things quicker and changes to happen, these applications have to stay up to speed with the changes, which is where Pivotal Labs is also helping make these constant changes get out to the market quicker to make sure that the companies are making money as well. Third, driving analytics behind these applications so companies can see things like lowest fares in the price drops, and ultimately bringing new revenue streams back into the business today. So Dell EMC was able to help Southwest not only by providing them a more mobile and performance-intensive and agile platform, we're able to help them create new applications in their internal application for their employees, but then also develop a mobile application for their end users as well. So what you're seeing is that this digital transformation cannot happen without IT support. So Dell EMC is helping customers modernize their data centers, automate business processes, and transform the way that IT is leveraged in the first place. Now we're doing this with the underlying infrastructure of servers, networking, storage, and virtualization, layering on the automation to have a platform to be able to leverage a self-service portal, and ultimately transforming the way that these applications are consumed in a much more cost-effective model and more efficient as well. Now, the technology that really encompasses these three key things is our hyper-converged and converged technology, having everything pre-packaged and pre-configured specific to your business needs. Now, it meets all 5 key pillars. Number 1 being flash technology. Not only giving you the performance that you need for those applications that are mission critical to your business, but a much more cost-effective model as well. Scale out infrastructure. Giving you exactly what you need today, but also allowing you to scale for future growth as your business continues to grow and make more money. Software defined. Having commodity hardware layering on the intelligence for the automation within your infrastructure today. 4, cloud capabilities, allowing you to have an enterprise hybrid cloud in your environment and allowing that self-service portal to be able to deploy applications to the different business units and ultimately changing the way that IT is consumed by the business. And last but not least, trusting the infrastructure that your business lies on today. Now, not only is trusting your infrastructure key, but also trusting that it's going to be secure is also very critical. That's why Dell EMC is helping companies all the way from the top of the stack down. First, with endpoint security, making sure that each client and each device is safe, no matter what. Then through things like RSA and NSX, making sure that your network is secure through micro-segmentation. Then with SecureWorks, an acquisition that we made in order to allow companies to be able to have security as a service and allow SecureWorks to do the monitoring and reporting and allowing IT to be able to go focus on other areas of the business. And last but not least, if hackers want to get into your environment, they're going to find a way. And this is why we came up with isolated recovery, leveraging our #1 purpose-built backup appliance, data domain, and leveraging an air gap for your most mission-critical data, making sure that it's secure away from hackers. So to bring it full circle, Dell EMC is not only helping protect and back up your data, but we're helping you all the way from the top of the stack down by providing the underlying infrastructure of servers, networking, and storage, giving you the flexibility and choice to leverage a converged or hyper-converged infrastructure, whatever makes sense for your specific business today, layering on the intelligence with software-defined infrastructure and through our key integrations with VMware, which is our parent company, giving you the tightest integration for your platforms today. And ultimately giving you the ability to leverage an enterprise hybrid cloud. Now, enterprise hybrid cloud not only allows you to get these applications out to the different business units quicker by having a self-service portal, but you can leverage our providers like Virtustream for enterprise applications like SAP, SAP HANA, and Oracle. But then for non-mission critical applications that you might want to have off-prem, you can leverage our other service providers for, truly giving you the ability to have a hybrid cloud in your environment today. And then last but not least, leveraging a native hybrid cloud with Pivotal and Platform as a Service to make sure that these applications are constantly staying relevant to your end users and continuing to drive new revenue streams back to your business, and you can continue to have application developers come in and create these apps. And all the way at the top of the stack, giving you best of breed PCs in order to drive these millennials and these employees in your workforce today to be able to make more money. So to bring it full circle, not only is Dell EMC helping you all the way from the top of the stack down, but we're helping drive companies through 4 key transformations today and ultimately driving more revenue for your business. Thank you.